Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down below how your day is going. Mine's doing great. I just got done unboxing my Jeffree Star mystery box. So if you haven't watched that video, after this video, go watch that one. And then my box, the box from FASHIONSTA got here. So if you want to see what is in the October 2019 The Box by FASHIONSTA box, then just keep watching. All right, so I have not seen spoilers for this box at all. If you don't know, my 19-year-old daughter had open heart and lung surgery, so I haven't really been on social media too much, so I don't even know what's supposed to be in this month's box. This is a $19.99 a month subscription. You do not pay for shipping. I do purchase this box every month and it's only $19.99, so I definitely really like this box. All right, so that's what it looks like when you open her up, and it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy and love. All right, so then you have this card. It says the box with the purpose. I don't know what the heck is going on with my lighting. And a little things in the back. Then we have here, and this tells you what everything is, gives you prices. It says my box is total retail value of $157.50. And this box is only $19.99. That's why I love this box. All right, so it comes with like a little sticker here that says The Box by FASHIONSTA. They also have a website as well. If you use my code ANN in all caps, you can save some money off of their site. I will leave the link to this box to get on the waiting list, and also to their site, the website, if you want to check it out too, both links. All right. So then when you open it up, I see Sigma in there. All right, so let's see what this puppy is. All right, so this is the F89. I haven't tried any Sigma brushes. I think one I got in a subscription one time, but other than that, I haven't tried any of their brushes. So I'm definitely excited. This looks like it's a little bent, unless it's supposed to be like that. I know the F80 is supposed to be really popular. Let's see how much this says it is. Where you be? Where you be? So this is the F89 Bake Kabuki brush, and this value is at $25. So right here pays for the box. How the heck do you open this thing up? Oh my God. All right, so this here is a little bent, and I don't think it's supposed to come bent, but this is what it looks like. I would definitely try this for a foundation brush. I always wash my brushes first. You do have some little things coming loose, but once I brush that, well, a lot of times I cut them to make it even, but that doesn't bother me. This is nice and dense and soft the way that I like it. So anyway, I'll definitely use this for a foundation. I am really excited about getting this brush. All right, so far so good. The next thing is this thing. The lid is off. It says Jet Super Hydration Skincare Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. All right, let's see what you get. I don't know what the heck is going on with my lights. Let me see if I turn it down. All right, there we go. I think I had the lights up too high. I hope it wasn't like that the whole time. All right, so this is valued at $25. This is from Double Dare. What did I try from Double Dare? I think a mascara before, or maybe a lipstick. I don't know. It says created with lip quenching oil and extracts. This formula is creamy and luxurious, allowing for a smooth glide upon application, hugging the lips for the most comfortable wear. This is not a lip thing. I'm not sure. This is definitely not for your lips. So I think there was a typo in here. This is a cleanser. All right, so let's move on. Maybe there's a lip product in here. What is this? What you be? This is the Everyday Club BFF Natural. Okay, so this is a balm. So maybe they have it wrong. So this is $15. It says this is your ride or dry kind of friend. This nifty sidekick is petroleum-free balm formulated with papaya antioxidant. Okay, let's see. Moisturizes your lips. So this is for your lips. All right. I love getting stuff like this. I wish more subscriptions would do this, because right now it's starting to get cold. Like, I live in Jersey, so it's like been in the 60s, and at night you need a jacket. So I wish they would start putting stuff like this in here when it starts getting cold. All right, so this was $15 if I did not tell you. All right, so then we have from Teamy. Last month we got a mask from Teamy, which I absolutely loved. This is a Vit C Tea Infused Serum. All right, so how much is this puppy? This is $45. Holy crap. Oh, I was not expecting that to be pink. Probably vitamin C. I thought it would be like green maybe. I don't know. All right, so this is $45. This is Quench Dry Skin with this serum. It's consistency which instantly absorbs into your skin. This Vit C takes less than 30 seconds, so you can quickly continue with your beauty routine. So let's put it on my hand. Let's see. Oh, and it comes out definitely pink. Let's see. Oh, it smells really good. And look at that. Can you guys see? Oh, that's gonna feel so good on my face. And it smells good. What I usually do, I'll put like on my face, and I put a little bit, anything I put on my face, I put on my hands, because your hands and your neck, especially on a woman, can really tell your age. So I always try to do my neck and my hands as well. All right, what else we got? What else we got? This is like Christmas. This is Galactic right there. This is a liquid lipstick duo. This is $26. Wow. Okay, so there we go. So here is one color. Let's do a swatch. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's really pretty. Love that. And then we have this color here. Well, that's pretty too. They're almost about the same color, actually. I wish one was a little bit lighter so that you can go in a dark color and go right in the middle with a lighter color. But as they're drying, one's more browner and one's like a reddish brown. So you definitely can tell when it's dry. All right, and last but not least, you always get some sort of palette. This is from Rude Cosmetics. This is Leopardina right here. It says 12 eyeshadows and 4 highlighters. And this is $21.50. I love the print. Love that so much. So it does come with a mirror. And then you have these shades and these highlighters right here. That is really, really pretty. And then you have a mirror that I'm looking at myself. So I'm not going to swatch the shadows right now, but I will swatch the highlighters. I like that it's all different colors because there's people with different skin tones. So I love that. And they feel really good. Wow. All right, let's see. Where am I going to put you at? Let's put it right here. Oh, they're really pretty. Right there. That's really, really pretty. You know what? Let me swatch a couple of the shadows. I can't help myself. They feel really buttery. Wow. Let's do a shimmer. Okay, okay. Let's see. I see you, Rude Cosmetics. They don't swatch too good. I'm not going to lie. But they might be buildable. Let's see. Yeah, they do build up a little bit. You can definitely see the difference once you build them up. And I'd rather have shadows that do that because it's better to go in with a little less than more. But swatches don't mean anything. I have had where I swatch and I'm like, ugh. And when I put it on my eyes, they're beautiful. And then vice versa, where they swatch beautifully and then I put on my eyes, I'm like, oh my God, these are patchy. So never go by swatches. They're only more to show you like a color, you know. All right, so let's go over what we got for $19.99 and then I'll let you know if I think that if it's worth it or not. All right, so we got the eyeshadow palette from Rude Cosmetics. I love getting eyeshadow palettes. So, all right, I'm excited to try this. We got the Sigma brush. Like I said, I don't think that's supposed to be bent. So, I don't know. I don't like that, but if the brush works good, I don't mind. I'm definitely excited to try Sigma brushes. So I'm so happy to get that. Then we got this Vit C, which I love. I will never knock skincare, especially when it's starting to get chilly out. Love that. We got our Galactic Duo. As you see, it's dry. You can see, I mean, not too much of a difference. I think if you put it on your lips, you wouldn't really tell too much. But I like that you get like 2 lipsticks in one. Then we got this everyday lip balm, which I am so excited. Slay Glam Box did that as well in their subscription. They put like a lip thingy, which I am excited. What else? And then we got this. Now this is definitely an error here because it's saying it's for your lips, but it's not. This is a cleanser. So I am definitely excited to get that. You can't have enough skincare, I feel. So do I think it's worth $19.99? Well, my total value comes to $157.50. So I definitely think it's worth it. This is what cheaper than Boxycharm. It's cheaper than the Ipsy Plus. Do you get brand names like Ipsy does and Boxycharm? No, you don't. I mean, the first time that I ever got the box, we did get a Tarte palette. Ever since then, and we do get like Sigma and stuff, but with the value, I'm really satisfied paying $19.99. Have I got a better box than this? Absolutely. But for $19.99, I'll never complain what I get because I'm looking on here every single thing except for one. The lip balm was $15. Everything else was over $19.99. So I definitely think it's worth it. I really recommend this box. I don't know. Do you get this box? Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know the tea. What do you think of this subscription? Do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's compared to Boxycharm Ipsy? I don't know. Let me know. I definitely think the value's there, but it's up to you guys. Do you want kind of like off names or do you want like more brand names that you know? I don't know. Let me know. And that's everything, guys. Don't forget to either like this video or dislike it because it does help me out. Make sure that you subscribe and turn that post notification bell on to all so that you can get all my future notifications and my giveaways. I have one in my Jeffree Star video, so check that out. And that's everything, guys. I love you guys so much, more than you will ever know, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.